everybody! Today's recipe is very easy. All of Korean people know about this side dish. What is it? This 계란말이, rolled omelette. You don't need any special Korean cooking ingredients. All you need is eggs and some vegetable. That's it. Let's start with 4 eggs. 4 eggs and 1 teaspoon salt and mix together. I'm using 4 eggs, but if you use 2 eggs, what can you do? Divide the ingredients into half. This is free-range eggs, very good quality. Whenever I make my 계란말이, I always use onion. So onion makes it sweet and also crispy a little bit, and also you feel never dry. So this is very important. I'm going to use also this green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Just this is kind of for only beautiful color, but you can skip it, but never ever skip this onion. Just a half medium size onion, around half a cup. Okay. So next, some green bell pepper, just a little bit, around 1 tablespoon I'm going to use. And red bell pepper, also 1 tablespoon. Chop it up. Okay, let's add this here. Okay, next, ground black pepper or white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Let's turn on the heat. Just a medium heat. This 계란말이, we gotta cook really low heat. Otherwise, it's burnt. Burnt is okay, if you make this for your family members. A little bit brown, it's okay. But I like to make it very nice, beautiful yellow color. My pan is heated. Just only 1 drop of vegetable oil, like this. And I'm going to turn down the heat to medium low. And I scoop this with my spoon. It has to be cooked low heat so that we can maintain this yellow color. So press down. So a little more oil and just move like this. Here also just a little oil. And then let's pour more. So that it's connected, these eggs are connected. Press down a little bit. And push this. I need to cook the side so that I can shape this. I used to make this side dish all the time for my children's lunchbox. At least twice a week, I used to make this. Not only me, All Korean moms, they make this. Today, I like to make it really perfect. That's why kind of really patient. We make both sides. This side also cooked and nice shape. You still see that even though low heat on the bottom, you can see the bubbles still cooking. My 계란말이 is laying down side. So very low heat is not going to burn. Okay. I'm going to wait just for 5 minutes before cutting so that nice clean cut. All of Koreans know about this dish, but all family has a kind of different recipe, just like a kimchi. I use lots of minced onion here. I learned this from the one grandma is just who was running some small cafeteria looking kind of restaurant in the really big, huge open-air market in Seoul. Her store is just always full of kind of young people. And she just served this with rice from rice cooker and only this. She didn't add red pepper or green pepper. And she just added onion, lots of chopped onion, and egg, salt, and ground black pepper. And that is kind of combination is so amazing, so that like a really cheap price. And then I tasted this, I really love that. Ever since that time, whenever I make my 계란말이, I add a lot of onions, but not too much. If you add too much, it's not going to be cooked and all just easily fall apart. You know, so simple, just like you guys learn from me. That's how I learned from the grandmother. And probably the restaurant is gone long time ago when I was at university, time. So long time ago. Anyway, this is good tea, isn't it? Look at that, pretty, isn't it? Look at this. We made 계란말이 today. This is a good side dish. 반찬, Korean 반찬. Always serve with rice. It is very juicy and soft and fluffy and crispy because of chopped onion. Today we made 계란말이 side dish, rolled omelette. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.